Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on noise cancelling on your JBL Tune 130. So all you have to do, just select your earbuds on the JBL application, then turn on the ambient sound control with this option. Of course we have to put the earbuds to the ear, because without that we will be not able to use this feature. So let me just make it right now. As you can see right now it's enabled, so here we can simply switch the ambient sound options. We can just turn on noise cancellation by using this option. If you are looking for the gesture, you can also make it. So here you can scroll down, and as you can see right here on the right one, oh, there's no such a feature. On the left one, you can just tap once to turn on the noise cancellation, ambient aware, or off. So basically, you have to just click once to switch the modes. It's very simple. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.